How to delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. So there might be condition where you might have forgotten your password, email and phone number in your old account and now you want to delete it. So in that case there is no actual direct solution. So what you can do instead is just click on search and just search in for your profile username which you used to register your old account. You must remember it and just click on that particular profile. So once you search in for that particular account which you had previously created, so just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on report, and from over here just select the first option, that is they are pretending to be someone else, and from over here just click on me. And once you do all of that, just click on done, and the Instagram team will review that profile and might probably as well delete that account once and for all. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.